how to manage website permissions in Safari on Mac. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. So do you want to control what websites can access in your Safari on your Mac? I'll show you how. Let's dive right in. You need to go to your Safari, then go to the top left and click on Safari. Head over to settings. Now go to the websites tab. So in the sidebar, you see permissions like camera, microphone, location, notifications, downloads, and more. So select a permission and then you need to choose the drop down menu at the right hand side so you can see ask, deny, or allow. So you can choose depending on the available options. So you can also choose a default permission for all of the new websites. So like when you're visiting new websites, you can choose one permission, and that's how you can customize a website permission for a safer and more personalized browsing experience. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.